Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is keto zucchini chips. These come from my grandma. She sent my mom this recipe, and it is so easy, and they are delicious. Everyone scarfed them up. I wanted them because I thought they were real chips, but they didn't give them to me because they had garlic on them, and dogs can't have garlic. It was a tragedy, but everyone seemed to enjoy them, so you guys should definitely give these a try. And they're made in the oven, not the air fryer, and they came out really awesome. So definitely check this video out. My mom's going to put the recipe picture in the video as well. So if you guys want to give this one a try, I definitely recommend it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Okay, everybody, we're making zucchini chips, keto zucchini chips. So let me show you what I got going on here. First of all, we're preheating our oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And they're gonna be in there for about an hour and 45 minutes to 2.5 hours. You just kind of have to watch them. I have thinly sliced them with my mandolin. This is a total of 3 zucchini. I have several trays here. I figure they probably need to be 1 layer on there. I'm not doing the air fryer this time. The oven supposedly works better and will make them crispier. So that's what I'm trying. So I sliced 3 zucchini up. Instead of avocado oil, I'm using ghee. So I mixed ghee in there. You can use beef tallow or something. I put some nutritional yeast because that should taste like Parmesan a little bit. Cheesy flavor. And then the blends, sea salt, pepper, and garlic, which is what you're supposed to put on there. Then when they come out of the oven, you could sprinkle other stuff on there. My mom gave me this recipe, and she likes to sprinkle ranch dressing mix on there. I think I might do taco seasoning mix. I don't know, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna make a dip to go with it. So now our oven is ready to go, it is telling me. So I'm gonna put these in there for at least an hour and 45 minutes, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, here's the finished product, and they are so yummy. Try to see if you can hear the crunch. They are delicious. That was a great flavor combination. I had to start a new batch because I didn't have enough room for all of it in the oven. So what I discovered though is that you don't need 2.5 hours, which was the original recommendation, and you don't even need an hour and 45 minutes. I only needed about an hour and a half to get them like this. So just so you know, give it a try, enjoy.